Once we have an understanding of firewalls, that they permit and deny access and different kinds of access, we can talk about the DMZ, or perimeter network. Now, DMZ stands for Demilitarized Zone. Perimeter network is just another name. They're interchangeable names. The idea of this is to have another network that is on the edge of your network. So here I've got a network, and now I've got a second little network over here on the very edge of it. Now, I didn't put the routers in here, but there would be a router that this would come off of. And either software or hardware firewall, before or after that router, I might have two routers, but the idea is to have a separate network here. And I want access from the outside to have, let's say that this is a web server, so they have web page access to this web server, but everything is blocked from there on in. So from the internet, there's no way to get to my private network over here. However, you can get to the web server. Now over here, I've given on this firewall access from the network side in order to configure this web server, add new web pages, change things, and update, and so on. So now we have a completely separate internal network because we have this intermediate or this perimeter network in its place. Now this isn't the only way that we can set it up. We have another format that's even more secure, and that looks like this, where I actually put two firewalls. These are typically hardware firewall devices. And now I've got my network here. I would have a router here typically. I've got my perimeter or DMZ network that is being protected by two different firewalls. One that is giving web access to people on the internet, and the other is giving configuration access to the people on the network. However, now I have double security to keep people from getting from the internet into my private network here.